Animals are talking all around us, and we just don't always know how to listen. For a long time, people thought animal sounds were just simple noises: barks, chirps, growls, songs. But scientists now know that communication in the animal world is far richer and more complex than we once imagined. Some species use frequencies we can't hear, others use movement or even color to send messages. Communication isn't just about sound. It's about survival, relationships, and sometimes even culture. Think about this. Elephants can send messages to each other from miles away using deep rumbles below the range of human hearing. Bees perform intricate dances to tell their hive where to find food. Whales sing songs that can travel across entire oceans. And octopuses, they shift colors in real time, essentially broadcasting their mood or intentions without ever making a sound. In this video, we'll explore some of the most amazing ways animals communicate, methods that might seem almost alien to us, but are second nature in their worlds. Let's start with sound, the most familiar way animals communicate. But it's not just chirps and calls. Many species use frequencies we can't even hear. Elephants, for example, produce infrasound, deep rumbles so low they're below human range. These sounds can travel through the ground for miles, allowing herds to coordinate movement or warn of danger even when they're far apart. On the opposite end of the spectrum, bats and dolphins use ultrasound, high-pitched calls that bounce off objects, letting them see with sound and even share information while hunting together. But sound is only part of the story. Movement is another powerful language. Bees famously perform the waggle dance, wiggling their bodies in precise patterns that tell hive mates exactly where nectar can be found. Birds, like the manakin, use elaborate dance routines to impress mates, while prairie dogs have been shown to use specific body motions along with vocalizations to describe predators in surprising detail. Then there's color and light. Chameleons and octopuses are masters here. Octopuses can shift patterns across their skin in an instant, signaling aggression, camouflage, or courtship. Fireflies light up the night sky with rhythmic flashes. Each species has its own unique code, ensuring they attract the right partner. Even fish on coral reefs use flashes of color to warn rivals or attract mates. And finally, smell and chemicals, the silent signals. Ants lay down chemical trails to lead others to food, with scents so precise they can even communicate the size of a food source. Wolves and big cats mark their territory with scent, leaving chemical messages that last long after they've gone. For many species, the world is written not in sounds or sights, but in smells and chemical cues invisible to us. Across these senses, sound, movement, color, and chemicals, animals have developed languages as rich and varied as our own, shaped by their environments and survival needs. When we step back and look at the diversity of communication in the animal kingdom, one thing becomes clear. Language isn't only human. From the deep rumbles of elephants to the flashing signals of fireflies, animals have developed unique ways to share information, solve problems, and build relationships. These systems may look different from our words and sentences, but at their core, they're about the same thing: connection. And in some ways, they remind us how much we still have to learn. Whale songs, for example, change and evolve like cultural traditions. Prairie dogs describe predators in detail, almost like sentences. Even ants with their chemical trails are part of a vast network of constant conversation. Every discovery pushes us to rethink what communication really means and how intelligent and connected the natural world truly is. Maybe the most inspiring part is this. Once you start paying attention, you realize animals are speaking all the time. Their voices may be different from ours, but they tell the same story, one of survival, community, and life's incredible ability to connect across every corner of the planet. If you enjoyed uncovering these hidden languages, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and join our YouTube community, where we keep exploring the surprising ways our world is more alive and connected than we ever imagined.